Idli. Oh, what do you mean by idli?
I'm waiting 2-3 minutes more. 2 minutes more. Okay. I want Rita. Okay. Enough. One by one. Okay, please, children. If all will speak out like that, class will be disturbed. Okay, please, children. Listen carefully. I wanted to know my sound is clear. Can you hear properly? Like that. That's why I called you. Okay, children.
Yes,
Okay. Bye. Okay, mute your microphone. Mute your microphone.
All of you. You never make a
Okay.
Did you also measure?
Yes, children. Asil Muhammad.
It's my teacher. It's my teacher too.
Asil Muhammad.
ليش حاجة؟
Asil Salah. George.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, could you hear me?
No, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Is it audible? Yeah? Could you hear properly? Yes? My sound is clear. My sound is clear. Yes, children?
Yes.
Is it clear? Okay, now? Okay, mute your microphone. Mute your microphone, all of you. Yes, very good, children. Okay? Again, I'm your science teacher. Okay? I will just turn on my camera and see, children, I'm your science teacher. Okay? A pleasant good morning to you, children. Yeah. Okay.
Good morning.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let me start. Okay, children? Yes. Yes, children. Now everyone use the switch off camera and listen to me. I want all of you mute your microphone and listen to me. Yesterday, children, we have started our new lesson, parts of the plant and their functions. And yesterday I have explained you about two systems that found in plants, shoot system and root system. And I have explained you about functions of root system yesterday. Okay? Lamar method. Lamar method. Lamar. Okay, Jana Sharif. Jana Sharif, unmute and answer me. Okay, unmute and answer me. What are the functions of a root? Jana Sharif, only Jana answer me. What are the functions of a root? Root.
Fixation.
Yes, very good. Fixation.
Storage. Prevention of soil erosion.
Very good, Jana. Very good. Okay, excellent. Okay, and now mute your microphone. Mute. Jana, mute. Okay, very good. Rital, unmute your microphone and answer me. Yes, Rital. Okay, Rital, answer me. What are the functions of root? Rital, could you hear me, Rital? Hello, Rital.
Good morning, teacher.
Rital, okay, no problem. Asil?
Yes.
Asil?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, Asil, unmute your microphone and answer me. What are the functions of root? What are the functions of root, Asil?
Fixation.
Yes, very good. Absorption, okay? Absorption. Okay. Rital, mute your microphone. I will ask you another. Okay, Rital, tell me another two functions. See, Asil has already told about fixation and absorption. Rital, answer me another two functions.
Teacher, I can.
Rotation.
Yeah, who is asking Rimas?
Me, teacher. No, Regina.
Sorry, who?
Regina.
Rudina. Okay, Rudina, answer me. What are the another two functions of root?
Storage and prevention of soil erosion.
Oh, okay, very good. Storage and prevention of soil erosion. Rudina, are you the sister of Rimas?
No, sister of Rumaisa.
Rumaisa, yes, Rumaisa, yeah. Yes, Rumaisa, I have taught her last year in class 6. I was her class teacher. And I have seen you many times. You know me very well, yeah? Rumaisa must have told you about me, yes?
I go there in sometimes and see.
Yes. Yes, I have seen you were coming many times in my class, and I have met you in my class, okay? So I knew you. Runaid, what is your name? What is your name? Hello? Rudana. Rudana. Your sister is Rumaisa, yeah? Okay. Forget it, okay? Listen to me now. Okay, you have told that another two functions. Very good, okay? Very good, Rudana. Now, children, I will share my screen. We will do revision one more time what we have learned yesterday, and we will move on next topic, okay? So very fast, we will. Rudana.
Teacher, I did the homework.
Okay, I know you did the homework. I will check. I will ask you. First, let me explain today's topic, and I will ask you yesterday's work. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, we will discuss yesterday's. Okay. Now all of you, mute your microphone, please, children. Let me do my work. Let me explain to you. Okay, children.
Yes,
teacher. Okay. The screen is visible, children. And anyone?
I think so.
Visible, yes? Can you see? Okay, visible, okay? So I will read one more time what we have done yesterday. What we have finished yesterday, okay? Parts of a plant and their functions. Okay, before that, I will tell you that two systems. Very fast, I will tell you because this already we knew it. This is yesterday's work. I am revising again, okay? Root system and shoot system. Root system means that is below the soil, and shoot system means above the soil. The part you can see, we can see above the soil. Okay. Root system means we cannot see because it is below the soil. Okay. That already you knew it. Now let me start. Let me move on next part. Parts of that. Okay. Root system consists of only roots, no any other parts. Okay. And shoot system consists of some other parts also. Example, I will tell you: flower, fruit, stem, leaves, branches. All together we can say shoot system. Okay, children? Next, we will move on next topic. What this also we have done yesterday. Functions of root. Okay, see, now many of you answered very nicely what are the functions of root, but I am repeating one more time because I don't want, if someone don't know the answer, you have to learn today with me. Okay, fixation, I am repeating, children. Fixation, absorption, storage, prevention of soil erosion. Fixation, absorption, storage, prevention of soil erosion. These are the 4 functions of the root. And yesterday we have learned 2 roots that can store extra food or excess food in their root that we are using as our food. Example, carrot, beetroot and radish. You have to know only 2 examples. Okay. Better if you know 3, very good. If you cannot keep 3, at least 2 examples you should know: carrot, beetroot and radish. Okay, 2 you have to learn. Next, I am going to move on today's topic. Today, children, I will explain first all the parts, all the functions carefully. You just listen to me carefully, and after that I will give you time. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Suppose if you didn't get the time today to ask me the questions, if you have doubt, okay? You can chat. You can type your doubts in chat box. I will answer you later. Not now, later, okay? Now, children listen. I will explain the stem. Okay? You can see the picture stem. Asil. Asil. Hello, Asil.
Yes, teacher.
My sound is my sound clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Is the screen is visible?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Can you see the pictures? Sit nicely.
Yes.
Can you see the pictures?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, mute your microphone. I will explain to you because I'm calling one by one in between. I want to confirm it. My screen is visible, or can you see, or can you hear? That's why I'm calling in between. Okay, children?
Okay.
Now, I will explain first. You can see the picture shown here is the stem. Yeah, the picture shown here on the screen is the stem. See, you can see two types of stems. One stem is one of the plant you can see the stem is very thin. Other plant you can see the stem is very broad, very thick. We call that trunk, okay? That and all you have learned in class 3. You have already learned it. That's why I'm not going through that again, okay? I don't want to disturb you like that. So children, this class, in class 4, you have to know the very important functions of the root. Stem. Children, stem. Important functions of the stem. Stem, children. Root we already finished. Okay, children. So, I will explain all the functions. 3, 4, 5 functions are there total, but you have to know only 2. You learn only 2 functions. Okay, but I will explain to you all. So listen very carefully. The stem, the first function. That means the stem is the most important part of the shoot system because it bears all other parts or it carries all other parts of the shoot system. Okay, children? So the first function is the stem makes the plant stand upright. That means the stem makes the plant to stand straight. The stem makes the plant to stand straight. The stem makes the plant to stand straight. Straight means you know. Yes, children. Next one. The stem bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So we can say the stem carries the branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Inside the fruit there is seed or there are seeds. Maybe one seed or two seeds. That also you have learned in class 2. So I am not going through it, okay? I will move on the functions. Next one, children, very important function. All of you mute your microphone and listen to me. Okay? The stem carries water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves. I am repeating, children. The stem carries water and minerals from the root. Yesterday we have learned roots absorb water and minerals. Roots absorb water and minerals. Okay. So the root has the water and minerals. So it should reach other parts of the plant. Example to the stem, to the leaves, to the flowers and fruits everywhere. So stem carries, I am repeating the word again. The stem carries water and minerals to the leaves. We knew that leaves can make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. So, leaves need water and minerals. So, stem helps to carry the water and minerals from the root to the leaves to do photosynthesis. Not only to the leaves, every part of the plant. Okay? Especially leaves because leaves need more water to make the plant make the process photosynthesis. So I am repeating, the stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, because the process of photosynthesis happens only on the leaves. Okay. Next one, suppose the food is prepared by the leaf, it should reach all other parts. Isn't it, children? So, the stem also carries the food prepared by the leaf to all other parts. I am repeating, children. The stem carries water and minerals from the root to the leaf, and the food prepared by the leaf back to the other parts of the plant. I hope you understood that. Next one, very important thing, okay? In some plants, okay.
Teacher, sorry, can you repeat again?
Of course. Don't worry, I am repeating. You want, I will repeat. Okay, I am repeating, children. Okay, don't worry. Mute your microphone, I will repeat. Okay, if you didn't understand, you can ask again. No problem. But first, you mute your microphone. I will explain to you. The first function is understood. Stem make the plant to stand upright. It is very easy. I know these two functions you will confuse. So I am repeating again. Stem carries water and mineral to the leaves. Got it? Yes, children? I am repeating. Stem carries water and minerals from the root to the leaves and all other parts. And we knew that leaves perform the process of photosynthesis, and leaf makes the food for the plant. So the food is made on the leaf. That food carries, the stem carries the food to all other parts of the plant. I am repeating, transportation is happening through the stem. Transportation means, moving from one to another place, moving one place to another place, okay? So I am repeating, stem helps the plant to transport in two ways, okay? So because one child told me didn't understand, so I am repeating. So all of you listen very carefully. In two ways, stem transport things. I will tell you what are the things. Stem carries water and minerals from the root to leaf. That is the first transportation. And from the leaf, the food is carried back to the other parts of the plant. Any one of you answer me. Is it clear?
Yes.
If anyone want, I will repeat.
Clear.
Okay. You want repetition? Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, mute your microphone. Okay, I will repeat, children. I will repeat how many times you want, I will repeat. But you should mute your microphone, okay? If you didn't understand, you can ask me again, no problem. Okay, I am here to explain. I will explain to you. I am your teacher. I will explain to you, okay? So listen again. The first point is easy. No need, yes? Okay, second point, I am repeating, second function of the fruit. Stem, I am repeating, stem carries or stem transports water and minerals from the root to the leaf. I am repeating, children, stem carries or stem transports the water and minerals from the stems to the leaves. From the stem to the leaves. I am repeating, stem carries or transport water and minerals from the root to the leaves. And again, one more transportation is there. From the leaf is making the food, yeah? So that food carries or transport, stem carries it back to all other parts of the plant. All other parts of the plant. I am repeating one more time. True transportation is done through the stem. Stem carries water and minerals from the root to leaf, the food prepared by the leaf to all other parts of the plant. I hope all of you understood it.
Yeah.
I hope it's
Good.
okay, very good. I hope all of you understood. I hope the topic is clear to you. So I will move on next function. Okay, if suppose still anyone has problem, you can chat with me after the session. Okay, if anyone has still there is problem, you can chat with me through chat box. I will answer you. Okay, but now listen. Let me go to next topic. Move on next function. The stem in some plants, stem grows under the ground and it can store excess food like what I taught you yesterday, like roots. Stem can store excess food made by the leaf. Example, that type of stems we call underground stem or tuber. Tuber, tuber. Tuber, tuber. I am repeating the word. It can be like fill in the blanks, true or false question can be asked like that. Okay, not now. If afterwards. Tuber. The word is tuber. 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 Okay. So, two examples for tubers are potato and turmeric. Now, I will show the picture of potato and turmeric. See children, you can see the picture, turmeric and potato. These are the two examples of underground stem or tubers. One more example is the ginger. Okay. And moreover that, I will show that another picture, the functions of stem. I will repeat one more time. Stem makes plant stand upright.
بيخليه واقف upright يعني
And
stand upright.
stem bears, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits.
وكمان هو
And you can write bears. If you don't know, you can write consist of. If you can't write consist of, you can write stem has. No problem, okay? It's correct. You can write stem has branches, leaves, flowers, buds, and fruits. But I want you learn more words. Your vocabulary should increase. So that's why I'm using these all the words. Stem bears or stem consist of. If you can't write these two words, you can use easy word stem has. Okay, next topic I have told you. Stem helps to transport water from the root to the leaves, and stem is used to store excess food. Excess food means more food, extra food. Okay, children? If we plant leaf can make more food for the plant. That's why we can get food from the plants. We are getting many types of food from the plants. You know it, you already learned it, all type of fruits, grains, cereals, all these things are coming from the plant, only we are having it. We can eat it, we can have the food like that, okay? So the excess food, the plant is using necessary food for the plant, the excess food is stored in different parts of the plant. One of the example is stem. Stem can store excess food as it is called underground stem or tuber. So two examples for underground stem or tubers are turmeric and potato. You can see the picture turmeric. It is yellowish color. We are using it as to make our food in yellow color, and it is very too many important functions it can do. Turmeric that you will learn in higher classes. Okay. I don't want to confuse you. So you have to learn, you have to keep it in your mind. Turmeric we can use as food and put in your
مش ساعات الرز بيكون لونه اصفر احط له انا عندي لونه بودره.
This also is using to give colors to the food, and it is give.
Teacher, excuse me.
Yes. Who is that?
I am Rita's father, and you asked her 2 times, and other children answered in her turn. Excuse me, why the children answer
Sorry.
not in their turn?
Sorry. See, 1 minute, okay? Because parents should not interfere in between the class.
I know.
If you have any,
I know.
okay, please.
I'm
Please, I
only
will see.
seeing that for you.
Okay,
Thanks.
sorry. You can chat me. No problem. Rital can send the message to me. I have called Rital's name 2-3 times, but she couldn't answer. Maybe some issues, I don't know. That's why I called another child, okay? Sorry for that. Listen to me. Okay, children? All of you listen to me, children? Mute your microphone and listen to me. So, children, we are talking about tubers, okay? Underground stem or tubers. We can use that the plants are storing excess food in their tubers that we can use as food. Children, next I will show you some questions that you don't write or you don't answer, don't do in the notebook. Okay, no need you will write. Just I will explain to you how to do the question, how to answer it. This is not homework, okay children? This is not a homework, just I will show you one picture how to answer it. Children, question is this, label the following part of a plant and write two functions. The part label is stem.
اسمه ايه ده؟
Okay, I'm explaining to you. This is not homework, okay? Just I'm giving you one way how to answer it. See the children, the part labeled here is stem. And we have learned 4 functions of the stem, but I have already told you, you can learn any 2 functions. Easy functions you can do, you can learn, so you can answer like that. Stem help the plant to stand upright, and stem stores extra food as underground stem or tuber. Okay, that's all children about this question. And I will show you one more question. This is not homework children, I am repeating you. This is not homework for you. Just I am showing you the questions how to answer in exam. Okay children, now the question is, write to which system? Shoot system or root system is the following parts belong to. See children, here you can see the picture of a plant and only it is labeled as letters. Okay, so you can see here letter A shows root system, and from above we all know it is shoot system. B is labeled as stem, C is labeled as leaf, and D is labeled as fruit. Okay children, that's about the assignment work. This is not a homework question. Just I am showing you one example how to answer it children. Okay, no need to write in the notebook or anywhere. Today's homework is you just read your lesson what I have taught today, and you have already. Now I will close this screen.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we show you our homeworks, like correction and stuff?
Children, whatever the homework, I will check. Okay, not now. Now listen to me one more time. All of you listen, mute your microphone and listen to me. Okay, very good children.
Good job.
Mute your microphone. Marwan, I will give you time, please. Okay, very fast. I want to know. Did you understand what I have taught? I will ask you some questions. Okay, I will call one by one. Okay, Rital, are you here? Rital. Okay,
Yes,
Rital,
I'm here.
Rital. Okay, Rital, only
Yes.
Rital. Unmute your microphone and answer me. What are the 2 examples of tubers?
What?
What are the 2 examples of underground stem? Yeah, I have showed you the picture.
Yeah.
What?
Potato.
Tell me.
Potato.
Yes.
Potato and
Ginger or turmeric. Okay, no problem, Rital.
Yes.
Ginger or turmeric. There are 3 examples. Okay. Ginger, potato, turmeric. You can answer any 2. Okay, very good, Rital. Move back. Mute your microphone. Okay. Okay, Rital, move back. Mute your microphone. Means mute your microphone. Rital, mute. Okay, Jana, okay, answer me, Jana. What are the 2 functions of the stem?
2 functions of the stem.
the stem makes the plant stand upright.
Very good. Can you answer? Can you what?
leaves,
Oh,
buds,
yes, yes.
flowers, and
Very good.
The stem bears the branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits.
Okay, stem bearers. Okay, stem bearers. If you can't say or if you can't spell it, you can write stem has or stem consists of. Okay. Usually we use the word consist of. You can use the same word consist of. Suppose if you can't learn consist of that is spelling, you can write stem has. Okay. You will get the mark. No problem. Hana Muhammad. Okay. Hana.
Yes.
Okay, Hannah. Hannah, unmute your microphone and answer me. What are the any two functions of root, not stem, root? Root, yeah, not stem.
It
Not
helps.
stem,
It
yeah.
helps transfer the water to the stem.
Okay. Okay. What I asked you? Functions of root I asked. I have asked you the question. What are the functions of root, not stem? Yesterday's class. Yeah, you should listen. Yeah, you should listen to me carefully, okay? Hana Muhammad, when teacher asks you question, you should listen very carefully. You should be available always, means you should answer very carefully. Don't ask me what question teacher you asked, okay? One time, no problem. Okay, fixation
And absorption.
and absorption. Very good, Hana. Okay. Next.
Teacher, can I answer?
1 minute, 1 minute. Who was saying that? Who did it? Erini, okay. Erini, okay, answer me. Because I didn't call still your name, yeah? Come on, Erini, answer me. Question is, what are the two functions of stem?
Such as stem is known as an underground stem or tuber.
Tuber, not tuber, tuber, okay, T-U-B-R, tuber. Okay, very good. Okay, next I want, okay, Yusuf, okay, enough, my dear. Mute your microphone, okay? Yusuf, what? Yusuf? Hello, Yusuf. Yusuf?
Hello, teacher.
Yeah. Yusuf, can you answer me two examples of underground stems?
Underground stems.
Yes.
Potatoes.
Yeah, a potato.
And tartan.
Cumin.
Ginger.
Potato and potato and ginger or turmeric. Okay, potato, ginger and turmeric are the examples. Okay, children, now time up. Period over. Okay, I have to move on next period, next class. So we will meet again tomorrow. Okay, children. I hope
Okay, bye, teacher. Bye.
homework you have to read the lesson. Teacher, homework. Homework. Okay, all of you listen. Homework. You have to read the lesson. That's all. Okay, bye, children. We will meet again.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye. Okay.
Bye,
All
teacher.
of you say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. To read a lesson on time.